Here we come to the elevator at Phillips Hall at University of North Carolina in Chapel Hill. This elevator has the most insane sounding relay I've ever heard. It's a Dover. G. Oh yes, the motor still lives on. Holy joy. Holy flippin' mackerel, we gotta listen to that. Wow, that is an incredible startup. I wonder if this thing was modernized by Southern. But my gosh, is that a joyful sounding motor. Man! What kind of an elevator that doesn't have the best motor sound of all times? These are your GL fixtures, obviously modernized. Here's your phone. I thought somebody called it for some reason. You gotta listen to this relay. Love the relays. All right, I'm gonna close the door first and I'm gonna start the motor on this thing. All right, get a listen in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The joyful sound of UNC. Okay, we just randomly stop. Well, okay. Anyways, that motor was incredible. These are your fixtures. Kind of shakes a little. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get off at the ground floor, which is the basement, and I'm gonna send this elevator up one floor and bring it back down because I want you to listen to the motor starting up. It is incredible. This is definitely a bottom drive traction elevator. Alright, here goes nothing, y'all. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and end it at 1. I thought I'd do an update to take on this elevator, but man, are those relays. One, 3, and A are burned out on the indicator, but man, is that a most incredible sound of that relay. I'm gonna ring the bell. All right, there it goes. And that is gonna be it. Hope you enjoyed. I love the sound of the relays. My gosh, does that thing sound like a musical to my ears. My gosh, I have no words to describe this elevator. It sounds like a heavenly sounding music. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.